Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I will show you how to locate someone you played with on Roblox. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and head to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, search for Roblox and you should see an extension called Restore All Roblox Server List. Click on it, then click Add to Chrome to install the extension. This extension is widely trusted by millions of users and is completely free to use. After installation, pin it to your browser for easy access. Now open Roblox and refresh the page to make sure everything loads correctly. Click on the extension icon that you just pinned to your browser. Here you will find the auto search option. This feature will help you track down users you have played with, so go ahead and turn it on. Now go back to the game where you played with the person you're trying to find. Scroll down to the server section. Here you will see a list of servers and the profiles of the people currently in the game. If you remember the username, it will be much easier to search for them directly by entering their name in the Exchange search bar. If not, you will need to scroll down through the server list and look for their profile picture. Once you find them, you can either join their server or add them to your friends list. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.